times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Hello guys, yeah, welcome back again to another vlog. My tummy, not my tummy, guys. So guys, good morning. Yeah, it's 11:55. It's not morning though, but I'm taking my coffee right now. The reason is because before I took the kids to school this morning, the series I gave Harmony, because she wanted to eat for my series, and my series there is nuts inside. She forgot that her teeth is aching because Harmony teeth inside is preparing to remove. It is just paining her. There's some kind of food she cannot eat, so she wanted to eat my cereal, which there is nuts inside, but later she couldn't eat it, so I just had to eat it. So I ended up not having coffee, but I just got home because I dropped the kids. I went to Lidl to pick up some things, and I have a lot of work to do today. But when I got home, the only thing in my mind is just to go and sleep. I realized that it's because I haven't had my coffee today. Yes, your girl is an addict. I'm addicted to coffee. I feel like I can't function without coffee, except maybe I work out, you know. I just came back from Lidl, like I said, and yeah, I just bought some fruit. Yeah, this is a compote. What do they call this in English? Apple sauce, I think so. So this is just some yogurt. So I bought some apples. Yeah, we were running out of fruits. Yeah, this is the only fruits we have remaining. So I got some paper because in this house everybody have kata. Especially the kids, is just giving them, and especially Nathan and Harmony, they are really suffering from kata and cough. So this is white for cleaning. This is for the toilets, wet wipe. Some fruits. So guys, I bought this salad. Yeah. The first time I tried this salad, it was my hubby that got it. There is a pineapple inside. It's really delicious, guys. So I'm going to be having this with bread for lunch. Yeah, I bought some cake here. So this is strawberry. It smells so good. I bought some yeah, what do they call this in English? Like beef. Like, I'm going to be using this for my meat pie. It's grounded beef. Okay, this is cucumber. I got some spices. That's all I got from Lidl. Lidl have many names. In France we say Lidl. Some people say Lidl. Some people say Lidl. Some people say ladder. I'm just kidding. I've never heard ladder before. I like to buy this for my kids to take to school. Yeah, they take this to school. They drink it. What am I even saying? Because when I'm working, so I can't feed my kids at the normal time, so they have to stay till 5:30. So they need snacks at school. I just cleaned the fridge a little bit here with vinegar and water. So this is how I normally do my fruit. I just put some in the basket and put the rest in the fridge. When this one is finished, I will refill or restock. Okay, let me put also banana. Just cut it into 2, 1 year. The rest in the fridge. Brown rice, I think. I don't even remember when I made it, but it smells really bad now. I'm just going to trash it. We have some pineapple here. Yeah, this is still good. Our fruit is ready. Okay, let me pause this. I'm washing Sharon and the family. Hello Sharon. Hello Sharon. So guys, I've been really busy, so I'm just trying to catch up on videos. Yeah, she posted this yesterday, but I was so busy, so I just have to watch it right now. I'm also going to be catching up on other people as well. So I finish prepping my food. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me who will see this. I don't want to eat fruits. This is how I prep fruit. I make it look really good. That way when the kids see, they want fruits, they want veggies, you know. It's very important to do that. This is my carrot. Look, at I just cut it in smaller pieces and wash it with vinegar and water. This tastes so good. So I'm going to finish everything and just put them in the fridge. It's very easy to give kids this for snacks, you know. You can use it to eat mayonnaise, you can use it to eat anything you want. I have to eat now. I'm really hungry.
Later.
Good morning. Yeah, today is Wednesday, guys. Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. I did not end the vlog yesterday because I went to Harmony School for meeting yesterday because I had an appointment with a teacher. Yeah, sometimes after their exam, or I don't know if I should call it exam or test, they have to invite the parents to tell you how well your child did, which Harmony did absolutely well. I'm super proud of her. Yeah. I'm super proud of her. She did really well. Straight A's, like, I'm like, yeah, she's my daughter. You know, when your child reminds you of yourself, you know, it's a great joy, it's a great feeling. Like, I'm just super proud of her. So I don't want to make this emotional, so let's just leave it there. So guys, I want to like just end this vlog now because I'm doing what my kids eat in a day, so I'm filming that, and I'm also going to be making meat pie. So, and I think this vlog is already too long, so I'm just going to end here. Meanwhile, I did not eat breakfast. It's 9 minutes after 12. Yeah, it's time for lunch, so no need for breakfast. I just warm up some rice for myself. This is some jollof rice that Obi made and gizzard, so I'm going to be pairing it with some salad. So this is what I'm going to be eating for lunch, so come and join me. Thank you. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and please like and also subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Okay, it's time to eat. I'm really hungry though. I just took coffee this morning. Yeah, I'm super hungry.